Okay, guys. Gonna do I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. I've actually been experimenting with just manually trading, um, and like a Chart4 plus, primarily trend. And I think one of the reasons why is that polarity obviously works for many people, but for me, it's like I'm looking for very specific trend moves and also like imbalances as confirmation. And sometimes it just player just doesn't pick that up for whatever reason. Um, it's just not, what's the word for it? It's not especially tailored towards how I like to trade. So I think today, right now, I'm just going to do a really quick session, see if I can hit $200 in MES, which is 2,000 in ES, and yeah, let's just see if we can do that. So as a so just to show that this is, I guess, not legit, but like, it's not like pre-rehearsed. I opened up Excel right now, and I'm gonna do a rand function, rand between, yeah, rand between. Okay, so bottom is 1, top is 30. And if it falls in May, I'll do May. If it falls in April, I'll do April. Okay. So let's see what happens. Okay, 14th. So it's gonna be in April. So let's go to. And this is how you do replay. Disconnect. Playback. MES. So I have this all set up for MES, my Analytica Chart4 already. I said 14th, right? 14th. What? Hang on. Yeah, there has to be. What the hell is that? Doesn't make any sense. Okay, so let's see. Let's let it download. Okay, hit continue. Okay, let's make sure it's okay. Let's make sure it's started. Okay, if it doesn't load correctly, sometimes I'm not sure it's my computer, but okay, there you go. It loads correctly. So you can see there's a couple of changes I made. I removed the derived areas that were from the stack imbalances because this is kind of cluttering up the screen. I might bring it back. I'm not sure at the moment. I just not sure if I use it. So start time is 7:56. Um, I do have hotkeys to, so basically, so on your mouse, if you have a scroll wheel, if you have to page up, page down button on your mouse, I have hotkeys for that. So the thing is that my laptop's on a raised platform, so it's uh, off the level of my hands. So, but the mouse is that I attach to it is, it's on the platform. So it's hard for me to click the buttons on the keyboard of the laptop. So that's why I assign hotkeys to my mouse. Okay, come on, this is gonna actually load. Oh my god, it's actually not loading. Okay, sorry guys, we had to pick a different date because that is not loading. It does just happen sometimes. I'm not sure if it's mine. Okay, 5th. Is there a May 5th? Yes, there is. Okay. All right, let's try May 5th. Sorry about that. This is again taking. Okay, now I press my interactive brokers button. Okay, disconnect. Let's see if we can. So let me try to do this quickly so we can. So this video is not super long. Oh, come on. So I just found manually trading to just be a lot more profitable. So I am using the stuff I learned from polarity in my trading. Not all. No, obviously, my trading is not specifically polarity, but part of it is order flow, and part of it is just trend trading. with a little bit of regression. Okay. Okay. Are we gonna have it? Wait, why does it say the 4? Okay, hang on. And there's a lot of things you have to go like that because it's on the wrong date. Okay, let me close this too. Okay, sorry guys. I hope this works. Otherwise, just skip the first part until I actually get to actual trading. Okay. This is what happens if you select a date that is further ahead than your current selected replay. You have to do this toggle. It's kind of annoying, but I mean the replay function is like essential. There's no way to get around it. You have to do the replay. So if it's just a couple clicks, you're gonna have to deal with it just to be able to practice and trade correctly. Okay, please load correctly so we don't have to keep finding different dates. Okay, thank goodness it loaded. Okay, so let's just set up the thing. Okay, we'll get going. We're gonna go at 10 for now, and then if it's really so here you have a 3-bar play. If this changes green, maybe we'll go long, because let's just see what happens. And if it breaks down, there's quite a lot. If it breaks down, right now I'm just looking for 3-bar plays. Okay, I think this is pretty good. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's go long.
Order filled.
Oh, and there's no sound because my mic is this new mic is plugged in. Okay, that's great. Okay, that's not good. Let's see what happens. If we get stopped out of this, I think I'll just wait. Yeah, ideally this would have just continued back up, but I might hit the first target, or I might just get out of this early because it's it's not quite working. Let's see if we can hit the first target. Okay, I'm just gonna exit right now.
Order
Because I didn't
filled.
like that pullback on it. Okay, we'll just wait right now because it could continue to chop in this area. So essentially, this is actually not that strong with 3-bar play. You will want this to continue to go up over here, so it does. Unfortunately, it just was a little bit too trigger happy with that. That's okay. So if it breaks this level with good volume and good imbalances, then I might go long for a continuation. Okay, let's see what happens. Or I might go short. Let's just go short.
Order filled.
So this is more of a regression play. And we'll do a really tight stop on this one. So it's not really going, so I might just exit this one as well. But now it's starting to go.
Target filled.
Okay, first target's met. Let's see if we can hit at least the second target. And if it hits the second target, okay, it's not going to hit the second target. Okay, I'm going to close that.
Order filled.
Okay, kind of a rough morning so far. Just a lot of chop. The market still feels like it's going. So it's in an uptrend at the moment. So that's why I was a little hesitant of just letting it continue going. Okay, so if it breaks this level here with is Is the mic actually working? Okay, it is working. The desktop audio is not working. If it breaks this volume area here with decent, volume, I'll just go long. Let's see what happens here. You want to, so here you want the confirmation before going in, so you don't want to. Okay, now I'm going.
Order filled.
Okay. So that's a lot of slippage because I'm doing 10x speed, right? So I'm hoping I got in here instead of like all the way up here. That's pretty, no, it's not ideal because I could already hit my
Target
targets,
filled.
right? And now maybe might not even hit the 2 targets. Let's see what happens.
Target filled.
Okay, so it hits that target. So this might be a full winner. Let's just see what happens. If it stops out here, I'm just gonna
Stop filled.
I'm just gonna close it.
Order
now I'm gonna
filled.
go for a reversal play. So okay, so now I'm gonna do a reversal play.
Order filled.
Okay, what the hell is going on? Auto hotkey. Okay, not the greatest. Do I get out? Okay, come on, hit that target, Don't stop me out. Okay, I might just exit here.
Order
Okay.
filled.
So I didn't like this because it had this green bar. Ideally on this one, it should just be hit the red bar and should have gotten me out or gotten my at least 2 of my profit targets, but it didn't. So now I'm gonna go for a long. Okay, let's go long.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get another runner here. So this is at 10x speed. Again, probably a pretty bad fill. If we get this one, if this one's a decent winner, I might just hold off for a reversal.
Target filled.
I don't know. We'll see. Because I feel like the market should probably reverse at some point. All right, come on. Okay.
Target filled.
Good. Come on, can you hit the 3rd target? It'll be a great trade if it hits the 3rd target.
Target filled.
Good. So this is an excellent trend trade, breakout trend trade. So I'm at 10x speed. So let's see if we can hit that top one. Again, I'm looking for, okay, if it becomes a reversal, okay, I'm going to close it because I want
Order filled.
So if this becomes a reversal bar. Okay, I'm going to reverse.
Order filled.
See if I can get, this is a difficult day for reversals. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Jesus Christ. Okay, when it comes back down, I should probably get out. Hopefully it doesn't hit my stop. Okay. Okay. Do I let it go? Do I let it go? Okay, come on.
Target
Okay,
filled.
good. Come on, hit the bottom one. When it hits 1,000, I'm gonna stop it. So I'm looking at the okay, so I'm just gonna stop it there.
Target filled.
Okay, it did stop. Okay.
Order filled.
So that's the first target. Usually I'll just stop right now because number one, this has been a really choppy morning. As you can see, when my entries have been tested pretty badly. Obviously, this does not include commissions. So, but I am above the $1,000/$100 mark, which is kind of my realistic target. So now I'm gonna try to see if I can hit 2,000 or $200 in MES. And this might be difficult because it is extremely choppy today. As you can see, I've only gotten really one good trade here, right? Did I even hit the 4th target here? I'm not even sure. So I've only really gotten one good trade. I've been doing like half trades, like break-even trades on really just nasty price confirmations. So Okay, let's hang on 1 second. I just want to bring up something else. Moderate computer. So I do want to cut this short. I don't want to go too long because I do need to head out in a little bit. But okay, I'm just gonna continue. Let's just play it conservatively, see if we can get to 200. Again, as you can see here, this is completely random. I don't know what's gonna happen this day. Okay, did I do a reversal play? I did. Okay, so that reversal play did kind of work out. Again, this is really choppy. Ideally, this bar should be right here, and this bar should be right there. But it's been really choppy, and let's see if we can find a good quality setup before. And here, I think I might go short up here because we had a red bar here, and this is it tried to recover and then sold up hard, and so when it gets closer up this way, yeah, let's try.
Order filled.
If it doesn't look good, we're gonna get out pretty quickly. Okay, it doesn't look good. It kind of doesn't look good right now. Right, maybe. So we got imbalances in our favor. Oh my god, come on, hit that.
Target filled.
Hit that other target. Come on, hit it.
Target filled.
Okay, good. Okay. Come on, hit the third target. If I hit the third target, the last target.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Okay, that was kind of like a scratch trade. 131. Let's see if it breaks out here. If it breaks out here, okay, now.
Order filled.
Wow, this is a strong uptrend in the market. Okay. Come on. Hit that target.
Target filled.
Good. Stack and balances in my favor. Okay.
Target filled.
Another stack and balance in my favor. Alright, come on. Don't scratch me out. Don't scratch me out. I'm in.
Stop filled.
Okay, scratch me out.
Order
Okay.
filled.
155. Okay, we're slowly making it there. Oh my god, now it's going back up. Alright, let's see what we have in the POC. Let's try to anticipate. So this is not, I still need a little bit for a reversal. If I get one good trade, I'll probably hit the $200 target. So it's 9:15. So we have 45 more minutes to trade before. Kind of want to stop because kind of volatility is. So here the PLC, the volume is building up quite a bit. So I anticipate a possible. Okay, that's a huge imbalance. Single volume balance to the downside, but I'm not gonna short yet. I'm not even sure I want to short. This is a pretty big volume bar, so I anticipate possibly a reversal. If this is red, then okay, I'm just gonna go for it because we have
order filled.
God, see what a horrible fill because of because I'm on a 10-second delay here, so I am actually working against the. Come on, breakdown. If I lose this trade, then I'm pretty much done for the day.
Target filled.
And this thing is not even updating, so I have no idea what the hell is going on. Okay, 183. Okay, can you please update correctly? It's not updating because this
target filled.
Okay, 198. Come on, a little bit lower. I think I can hit 200.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Okay. Oops. Okay. Whoops.
Order
okay,
filled.
I hit the wrong button. I hit the wrong hotkey. I was trying to exit. I actually shorted more. Whoops. So I was at 8-1. Okay. Technically, I'm at 183. Yikes, and it's still going down. So now there's really nothing going on in the market, and I was pretty sure I was at 200 at one point. Number one, I got a really bad fill because of that 10-second gap. And two, I was pretty sure this was at 200, but maybe not. So here, I'm gonna actually stop in 2 minutes. So because I just need to go. So I would say I'll say I was at 180 something, right? Just shy of 200. Let's see if we can get one more trade in, win or lose, before I sign off on this replay session. And again, here, um, I'm not pre-rehearsing any of this stuff. We did here just do this rand function here, and we pick the date, a random date. Okay, do I go long here? Jesus Christ, it's this market has just been going up and up and up. Okay, maybe now it's okay. Let's try going long. Oh,
Order filled.
What a horrible fill.
Stop
So we're
filled.
gonna stop there. Okay, that was a horrible fill. So ideally, you wanted to get like somewhere around here, and then at least get one or two profit targets here, and then break even somewhere right here. Now it's at a reversal pattern, and yeah. So we did actually. I mean, we hit the first target of 1,000, which I'm probably gonna stop on. So the way I'm gonna do it on Monday is the target is 1,000, and then I'm gonna turn off the mirroring in my interactive brokers account. Afterwards, I'm just gonna continue trading to see if I can get to 200 just for practice, like live simulated practice versus replay. Here I'm doing like 10x speed. So that's kind of the plan for Monday. So manual trading, I think I can just do better just by manually trading the order flow and the trends. Again, so this is MES. I could definitely start with doing this. I think I am consistently profitable, but the sim and live, even with mirroring or even with MES, is very different. So here I'm like, obviously I'm completely nonchalant, right? But let's see how I do with actually live. So that's why I'm doing the mirroring with, a couple shares of SPY, build my confidence to kind of how I am now, very nonchalant about things. When you're really nonchalant about things like I am, kind of just like, not really caring, or caring more about the outcome of the trade versus the dollar amount, that's when I feel you can really start to trade. So anyway, that's another replay for anyone's interested. If you have any questions, please put it in the current video, not this video, whatever current video, because that's usually where I look. I don't usually look at the comments because it's on a separate account, which is difficult for me to log on to. I guess it's not difficult, but I mean, there's not many of you guys actually listening to this, so. Okay, we'll see what happens Monday. We'll do a replay at some point on Monday, hopefully right after. Start time is 7:56, so 6:56 my time. That's going to be a pain. And stop time ideally is around 9 a.m. my time, which is 10 a.m. Eastern time. Because, and then if I'm really close to the 2,000 or to 200, 2,000 amount, I might just keep going. But the target is 1,000. Using simulated small share size, and then if there's enough time, I'll go to 200 or 2,000. And yeah, so anyway,